A bowling alley is a place where people go to play bowling games, which involves rolling a ball down a long narrow lane towards 10 pins at the end of the lane. The objective is to knock down as many pins as possible with each roll. A typical bowling alley consists of several lanes with electronic scoring systems, ball return systems, and pin setting machines. The bowling lanes are made of a synthetic or wooden surface with gutters on either side to catch balls that miss the pins. The pins are arranged in a triangular shape at the end of the lane, with the front pin positioned directly in the center. To play, a player chooses a ball from a rack of different weights and sizes, approaches the foul line, and rolls the ball towards the pins. The ball return system then brings the ball back to the player. After each turn, the pin setting machine automatically removes the fallen pins and sets up new ones for the next roll. The electronic scoring system keeps track of the scores and displays them on screens above each lane.